When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I decided to film this like every day, easy, probably less than like 15 minutes. Actually, it's not even probably less, but I know for sure I recorded this in like 15 minutes, but the makeup itself maybe took like 5-10 minutes to do. This is like an everyday work appropriate makeup look that you can do, hence the turtleneck. But I really hope you guys thoroughly enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or any wow, if you guys have any comments or questions, leave them down below. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to like the video. Helps your girl out, and let's get started. I'm gonna keep this very minimal, very easy. This is honestly how I get ready when I go to work. I legit probably do like take 15 minutes to do like my hair, my makeup, get dressed, and then I'm gone. So when I say beginner friendly, I mean beginner friendly. So my skin is cleansed. I don't have anything on my skin except for moisturizer. I don't, like, personally, I don't use foundation on a daily basis. I just feel like it's kind of just unnecessary. So if you need a little bit of extra coverage, because like I do have like a few post-acne dark spots, but you can easily just cover that up with concealer rather than like wearing foundation all over my face. I think that's like I wasn't gonna say I think that's like the grossest thing. I just personally feel like my brows, I always start with my brows. I'm gonna use my forever favorite Anastasia brow gel. I'm gonna pop that on really quick. You guys have seen me do that before, so I'm not gonna do it again, but I'm gonna just quickly do my brows. So I just kind of like brushed on like the brow product very quickly, as you saw. I'm gonna just clean it up with some concealer. The concealer that I've been loving lately is the Hourglass Vanish airbrushed concealer. The shade that I use is Teak. I'm gonna just pop that like from like the middle of my brow to the end, underneath my eye, a little bit on my forehead, down the bridge of the nose. Sometimes I do my chin, not always, because like a lot of times like I don't like to touch my face at work, because like like from here to work you're touching so many things. But I have like scarves, and I usually put my scarf here, and I don't want it to like I don't want to get makeup on my scarf. But if you don't do that, then you can feel free to add some to your chin if you'd like. And that's it. It gives like a nice, like, freshly done brow. Like, even if your brows are fresh, like you just stepped out the salon and get them done like that type of fresh. And I'm gonna just put a little bit of concealer under my eye. And like I said, I'll just hit a little bit on the dark spots. Nothing too crazy, honestly, because most of the time I don't even care, because they're not intense. But I understand, like, if you feel like you just really need that extra coverage, then by all means just give it a try. I am gonna use my disposable I like went to like Sally's and brought like a whole bunch of disposable what are these called? Wedges. I'm gonna just take one of these. I usually just bend it and then I blend out the brow. I kind of like raise my eyebrows and just start blending it. I'm not really like swiping, obviously, you're just stippling the product in. I'm just taking a little bit of the product, blending it on the brow, underneath my brow I should say. And then boom, like my eyebrows are done. Ta-da! And then I'm gonna just take the cube and blend this under my eye. And because honestly, when you use like liquid products, like when you blend it, it starts to like extend to like other parts of the face. So that's why I feel like you can kind of get away with using this as your coverage, not like a foundation, because I'm not applying this all over my face, but for the most part, like the highlighted areas, like I do like a I don't know, a lighter concealer, and I feel like it just kind of like balances everything out. And again, like I said, skincare, like having great skin, my skin is not perfect. The healthier your skin looks or is, the better your makeup might be. So great skincare means like good makeup. At least you have the skincare part down right. Why? At least you have the skincare part down right, and like your makeup will look, you know, at least decent. Especially if like you're a beginner, just make sure you're taking care of your skin. Make sure you're taking the makeup off properly at night, or like whenever you're done. And I feel like it would just help the overall look of your makeup. And like at my job, because like outside of like Sephora, there was this lady and she's like, oh my gosh, your skin is so nice. She's like, what products do you use? And I was like, oh, I just use concealer and bronzer. Like, she looked at me like, you're lying. And I knew in her face, like, she really thought that I was lying. But like I honestly just use concealer, powder to obviously set the concealer, and bronzer. I don't do foundation. I don't wear like blush and stuff like that. So like, lady, why are you mad at me? And like majority of the time my skin is very oily, and a lot of people are like, oh, it looks like dewy, and I'm like, you mean it's oil? Like, what are you talking about? Tis blended nicely. And then I'm gonna just take my baby right here, my kunafa powder, and I'm gonna just set that, taking like the same wedge, but I'm just taking like the clean part, like the tip that I did not use, and I'm gonna just set this under my eye. I'm talking about when I woke up late and I'm running late for work and stuff like that, you can still complete this whole makeup look and your face will look like you actually put like a lot of effort into it. Like, this is a very, very easy makeup. So I probably should have timed myself. Anyone can do it. Okay, and then I'm gonna just set my forehead, cause your girl got a big forehead and the shine just does not help. But that's okay. That's okay, cause I love myself. Super highlighted. Boom. And then you can take any bronzer, your favorite bronzer, doesn't matter. Listen, okay? I don't want anyone to be thinking like, why does she keep using like this bronzer? Show me a better one. Show me a better one and I'll use it. But until then, I will continue to use my Bobbi Brown bronzer, because like, it's bomb. And like, I really have searched for other bronzers and they just, you can't compete where you don't compare. Like, I've tried so many other ones, like a lot of popular ones that just did not work for me. So I will just continue to use this one. I'm bronzing my face. I literally just put it like on the apples on my cheek. Well, kind of, but like from my ear to like the apples on my cheek. And I'm gonna apply, I was gonna say a little bit, I'm gonna apply a lot on my forehead. And then just a little bit on my because like, again, like, I don't want to mess anything up. Take my bronzer and just brush a little bit over my eye lid. This is like the full complexion. Like, this is very, very easy. My face is set. You could you know, obviously you would finish the complexion off with like a setting spray. The one that I like is the Cover FX High Performance Setting Spray. Okay, so now I'm gonna just take a little bit of the Perversion black liner, put that underneath my eye. Just a little. I have no idea why I was like looking up, thinking like there wasn't a mirror, as if the opportunity to poke myself in the eye just wasn't there. But the lashes that I'm going to use are from Sephora collection. These lashes are called Quill. When I tell you, these are like the most natural like strip lashes that I have ever like encountered, that actually look, I was gonna say that actually look nice, but a lot of them do look nice. But when I tell you, like, this actually looks like, how do I explain it? Because like a lot of them are like wispy, and that's okay, that's fine, but like, you know what, I'm gonna pop them on and you guys decide what they look like.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things it took from me, I know that I am so much better, better off. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby.
Okay, I'm gonna just do the other side. The other side. I need to stop.
Heart made of stone, but I'm just fine. I'm gonna shine. I'm alright, alright, alright. I'm celebrating.
I'm gonna just add a little bit of the mascara on my lower lash, and yeah, because like even though like the face is very minimal, I want like the eyes to like really just kind of like draw in. Especially like I like to accentuate my almond shaped eyes, because like people be like, oh, your eyes, they're just so nice. I'm like, oh my god, really? And I'm like, I know, like, I know I'm kidding, but like I like drawing the attention to my eyes. That's why like I won't really focus that much on my skin, because like I just also feel like less is, you know, really, it's really better, or less is more, because you don't need that much, especially when you're going to like work or something like that. Like if you're going out, that's a whole nother story, but like I'm gonna sit at a desk all day long, so it was never that real. For lips, you can honestly wear whatever color you'd like. I don't wear like bold colors unless like it's like a holiday party or something. I try to find something new for you guys. What is this? Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know, I was like spacing on her name. From Pillow Talk from Charlotte Tilbury. I think it's so cute and it smells like Christmas to me. I don't know if they all smell like this. They came in the Christmas set, but I'm pretty sure they all probably smell like this. It just smells so good to me. But yeah, I got this for Christmas time. I was about to expose myself. Just, you know what, let me just expose myself. It's out there. So I actually got this in a set for someone who will not be named. And I was like, oh hell no. I was like, I want that lipstick. So what I did the right thing. I went back to my job, I purchased something else, and I placed that, like I actually ended up spending more money just for this lipstick, because I went to Michael's to get like a little basket so that I can take all the stuff out of the pre-packaged Sephora Christmas set, and I put it in the basket. Then I filled the basket up with new stuff that I had to replace. So I ended up, this lipstick cost me a pretty penny. So if the person is watching this and you feel some type of way, whatever, because you got extra stuff, okay? But I just needed this, so I'm gonna just apply this. I am gonna use I had to keep something, okay? So I am gonna use the same brown lip pencil.
'Cause darling, there is nothing right when all you seem to do is lie. Those days.
And I like this, you know? It's very pretty, it's not too much. And it has like a little sheen to it, so it's not like a matte lip where it might be dry. I think it's very pretty, very work appropriate, very appropriate. So pretty much this is like how you'll see me at work. I will look super chill, my little blazer on, my little turtleneck, my necklace, my watch. This is a watch I got from Target. I will forever be wearing this. I don't know, I always just like wearing like watches. Besides the point, normally I wouldn't have my contacts in, just because I wake up early, my eyes are dry, like I just don't pop them in unless I'm like feeling like, if we have a meeting or something like that, then I'll do that. I still will put the lashes on, so I'm gonna take my contacts out, show you, like these lashes are perfect even for glasses. You can get away with wearing glasses. And that's another thing, if you don't wear as much foundation and you have glasses, you're not gonna have like the makeup like sliding in that area and like on your it's just a whole gross situation. But I really cannot see. I'm just cleaning off my glasses like a nerd. My glasses, like Velma from freaking Scooby-Doo. It's cool. Ooh. Ooh. My lashes are not hitting my glasses at all. My glasses aren't like sliding down my face. So this is like my everyday makeup tutorial for work. This genuinely took like 12 minutes to do. But anywho, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comment below. If you did like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, join my community. Like I said before, this time I dedicated myself to actually consistently do or like produce more YouTube videos, more content. So if you guys like to see any video in particular, let me know. Any of my friends that I actually know in person, real life, and if you guys want to be in my videos, come be a part of it. If you are like following along to this makeup, I really hope you were able to like achieve it, because I tried to make it as simple and easy as possible. But anyway, until next time, bye guys.